She wants me to tell you guys that we got a new house. Hide me in a good place. Okay. Right here. Right there. Just in case you tuned in, we're playing hide and seek stuffies. I'm hiding 6 of these from Oya. Right there's good. Let's see. One more? Yeah, one more. There. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, sure, we already found one. Nala, did you tell her what that one was? No.
Gotta keep your eyes sharp. You gotta keep your eyes peeled.
Like a banana. Yeah.
Stop.
She got one.
We got, you guys, if you didn't already notice, at the end of this hide and seek stuffies, we'll show you that we got a new kitten. And its name starts with an O.
Yeah, this one is not too happy with it.
Yeah. That's not the new one.
Alright, you found 2. Got 4 more to go.
Easy.
Oh, not so easy.
Is there anything in my room?
No.
Your pinky promise?
I pinky promise.
What about girl nervous?
Nope.
Pinky promise?
Pinky promise.
Oops.
Okay, we'll pick it up later. Oh, man. How many you got now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So that means there's 2 more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Always keep your eyes peeled.
Like a banana.
Stop.
Where you look, I'll look at what the cat's doing.
Here's some pizza while you wait for me to find out.
Thank you.
Oh, and guys, let me just tell you something. That this is from Elemental. If you haven't seen the movie, and it was on my cup. And what happened was that they have toys like these at McDonald's. So this is the toy that I got. It's Ember's dad.
We really need to comb your hair. Sorry guys, we just started early in the morning. She wanted to film this hide and seek. She got 1 more! Oh my god, 1 left. Where could it be?
Nala, can you help me wherever you are?
Nala went to go poop. Do hot or cold, ready? You're getting colder. You're getting warmer. Getting hot. Getting really, oh my god, you're boiling. You would be on fire right now. I have to put you out with the water hose. You got it, got the last one. Suspect. All right, go show us the cat.
Okay.
Mission accomplished. Go.
Come on. The new cat is in here, I think. Yeah, in here. Ready? Her name is Oreo.
Hi, Oreo. What are you doing?
She's a kitten.
She was sleeping, huh? Looks like she was sleeping.
Yeah.
Where's the, oh, my finger's on the camera. Oh, look at the kitty.
Oh. She's so
Right.
gentle and so nice.
Maybe she'll let her sleep a little bit more. We'll make another video to introduce the cat. All right, mission accomplished on our hide and seek. Uh-oh.
Yeah, she does not like
He's
it.
not like it. Hopefully she comes around. All right. So this video is done, and we'll do another one. Say bye, guys. Peace.
Bye.